Good morning, Ma'am Director, Honorable Secretary Sir, our Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, judges, and my fellow teachers. A cozy welcome to all the parents, little audience, and my dynamic participants. I, Sushma Sharma, my fellow teacher, Miss Rekha, are here with you to celebrate Children's Day. Initially, I would like to thank you, the school management, for the setting such a wonderful platform during this pandemic time. To the students, that they are not only missing out any academic and cultural activity. This is a platform where the children can enhance their skills. Do you know, kids, why we celebrate Children's Day? To enlighten you about this, Ms. Rekha will take over and explain you briefly, also give you guidelines about the competition. Ma'am Rekha.
Thank you, Sushma ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You know, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. वो बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे. Children called him Chacha Nehru. आपको पता है ना कि हम जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी को क्या बुलाते थे? चाचा नेहरू. Okay. As you all are aware that this competition is based on mythology. रामायण पे बेस्ड है और हमारे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे रामायण के ही कैरेक्टर को शो करेंगे. You will get 30 seconds. आपको 30 seconds मिलेंगे. कैरेक्टर Let's start करते.
Yes, thank you, Rekha ma'am. The name of the competition is disguise competition with ramp walk. So without investing any more time, I would like to welcome Purva from class LKG, play character of Sita. Just to cheer them up, let's give a huge round of applause. Now I would like to call upon Hemant Singh from LKG class to play character of Hanuman.
बोलो जय श्री राम.
Okay, thank you, beta.
Very good. So I would like to welcome now Lavanya from class LKG to play character of Jadayu.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
My role is Jadayu. Role of Jadayu.
Oh, wow.
कौन बचाएगा तुम्हें इस वायुमंडल में?
मैं जटायु इस खतरनाक राक्षस से मैं आपको बचाऊंगा.
Very impressive.
सीता भैया मैं आपको इस खतरनाक राक्षस से बचाऊंगा.
Very good.
बचाऊंगा मैं.
Very good, Lavanya.
Wonderful performance by Lavanya Parasar from class LKG.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lavanya.
Lavanya.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. आप बहुत प्यारी लग रही हैं.
Now next, I would like to call upon Kaushik Kumar from LKG class to play character Ram.
Very good. Background आपका बहुत अच्छा था.
का बचना मुश्किल था, जड़ी बूटी लाने के काबिल था। लक्ष्मण बचे न श्री हनुमान के बिना, दुनिया चली न श्री राम के बिना। दुनिया चली न श्री राम के बिना, राम जी चले न हनुमान के बिना। थैंक यू।
Very good. It was awesome. I would like to appreciate the parents to put on their efforts to set the background so nice. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Now I would like to call upon Prerna from class LKG, play character of Sita. Beautiful little Sita.
मैं हूँ सीता माता, हे रावण, मैं तेरा नाश कर दूंगी।
Very good. Awesome.
आप वॉक करके
जय श्री राम.
प्रेरणा, क्या आप थोड़ा सा वॉक करके दिखाएंगी? रैंप वॉक है ना? Yes, very good. Awesome performance.
Thank you so much. Happy Children's Day. Next जो students है हमारे हैं class UKG से. So first participant is Aryav Solanki from class UKG to play character of Ram.
रागा कोलरी तो राम सदी सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन ना जाए।
Wonderful. Wonderful, Arya. Very good.
Very good, Aryan. Thank you,
Thank
Aryan.
you so much.
बहुत ही अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस थी आपकी और आपका बैकग्राउंड भी बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you.
Thank you, parents. Next participant is Gurkirat Kaur from class UKG to play character of Sita.
पुत्री सीता।
Round of applause for Gurkirat and all little ones. Beautiful performance by Gurkirat. Wonderful, Kirat. All the best.
All the best.
Thank
Happy
you.
Children's Day.
As a parents, you all know that our school follows international curriculum. Beside that, we do enhance at inculcate the religious and cultural mythology in our children so that they are grounded with the cultural and religious ethics. Our next participant, Nikhil Singh from a UKG class. Wonderful performance by Nikhil. Very good, beta.
Thank you, Nikhil.
Thank you so much, Nikhil.
Happy Children's Day. बहुत ही अच्छा किया आपने. Thank you.
So our next participant, I would like to call upon Jagriti from class UKG to play character of Sita also. Okay.
ए पापी, मुझे छल से हलाया है. तू मेरे प्रभु श्री राम की शक्ति को नहीं जानता है. वो 3 लोगों के स्वामी है. एक घास का तिनका नहीं, एक पति विधि नारी का अग्नि बाण है. अगर तू मुझे छुएगा तो तू भस्म हो जाएगा. जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम.
Very good. Very good. बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था आपका.
बहुत अच्छा. और इतने से मतलब छोटे बच्चे भी इतने अच्छे अच्छे डायलॉग्स रामायण कैरेक्टर से प्ले कर रहे हैं और उनके डायलॉग्स उन्हें याद है.
सुषमा मैम एक बात और कहना चाह रही कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने भी बहुत
अच्छा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू पेरेंट्स.
Okay, the next one is Nakshat Kumar from UKG class to play character Ram. Participant from class LKG, Purvansh Goel. He is playing the character of Ram.
इधर मेरी साइड बेटा, मेरी साइड.
Really heart-touching performance given by the student. I would also like to appreciate parents for the efforts that they have made to prepare the mind of the children to go virtually. So kids, happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.